friends. This video is brought to you by mywayteaching.com.
Let us start with square root. We know that opposite operation of addition is subtraction. Opposite operation of multiplication is division. Similarly, opposite operation of squaring a number is square root. Let us try to understand what does this mean. We know that 2 square is equal to 4. Then we can also write that square root of 4 is equal to 2. This means if we are given 4, we can find out by squaring what number will we get 4. So we can write that square root of 4 is equal to 2. Also we notice that minus 2 whole square is also equal to 4. Then square root of 4 should also be equal to minus 2. That is why we say that square root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. But in this chapter, we shall take up only the positive square roots. That means we will only consider under root of 4 is equal to 2. Let us start learning various methods of finding square root. We start with method of repeated subtraction. We have learned in the properties of squares that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on n odd natural numbers is equal to n square. Using this property, let us try to find the square root of 81. We start by subtracting one odd number at a time. We get 81 minus 1 equal to 80. In the second step, from 80 we subtract 3, which will give us 77. In the third step, we will have 77 minus 5, which is equal to 72. That means basically we are subtracting odd numbers one by one from our n square. First we take 1 and subtract from n square, that was 81. Then we subtract 3, then we subtract 5, then we will subtract 7 and so on. And we are going to subtract n odd natural numbers to get our answer, that is till we get 0. So let us continue. In the fourth step, our next odd natural number is 7. So let us subtract 72 minus 7. This will give us 65. The next odd natural number would be 9. So 65 minus 9 will give us 56. Sixth step, 56 minus 11 will give us 45. Similarly, continuing, in the ninth step, we reach 0. That means we have subtracted successively odd numbers in 9 steps. Therefore, n is equal to 9 and under root of 81 is equal to 9. Let us learn the method of finding square root through prime factorization. Let us try to understand this by using an example. Say we have to find the square root of 36. Let us use prime factorization method. So let us first find the prime factors of 36. We will get 18, 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So we can write 36 in its prime factorization form as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Our next step is to pair the numbers. We will pair 2 with 2 and 3 with 3 and then pick up one number of each pair. Then under root of 36 will be equal to 2 into 3, that is equal to 6. So we can say that square root of 36 is 6. Let us see what happens if the number is 12. We have to find the square root of 12. Let us prime factorize. We will get 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. That means 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3. Now we can only make one pair and hence we can conclude that 12 is not a perfect square. Actually, what we are doing is, we had written 36 as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. That is actually equal to 2 whole square into 3 whole square, or we can say 2 into 3 whole square. Now if 36 is equal to 2 into 3 whole square, that implies that under root of 36 is equal to 6. Like we have explained that if 2 square is equal to 4, then under root of 4 is equal to 2. Similarly, we are doing here. We have 6 square is equal to 36. That implies under root of 36 is equal to 6. In other words, we can also understand it that we can remove the square sign by putting a square root sign on the other side. So we are removing this square from this number by putting square root on the other side.